Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we are assembling the Heritage Henley oval table. Inside the box, you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box, you should have these components: one tabletop, 2 legs, 2 panels, and the glass top. Pro tip: place a lock washer and then the flat washer onto all bolts for a hassle-free assembly. On a soft, clean surface, place the tabletop face down and loosely attach the first leg, ensuring any exposed bars are facing towards the centre. Do not fully tighten bolts at this stage, as you will need the flexibility later. Then attach the second leg. Once completed, you'll need to attach both panels, and you should have this much flexibility at the base. Now, loosely attach the legs to the panel using the remaining 8 bolts. Once all 8 bolts have been hand tightened, you can secure all bolts using the spanner provided, and then place over the nut caps. Be careful not to over tighten, as aluminium is a soft metal and over tightening may strip the thread. And now, with the help of a friend, turn the table to the upright position. Carefully secure the glass top and then place the desired parasol bung or reducer. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.